Hey everybody, good morning, happy Monday. I am so tired this morning. I don't know why, but it just woke up beat. But we're about to go hit chest and tries, and then I have Orange Theory at 8. And then, yeah, we're gonna get on with our Monday, things to do. But if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe and stick around because we got things happening in the next couple months that you're not gonna wanna miss. And if you're always here, hello, welcome back. I love having you guys here. So, yeah, we're starting this morning off on a good note. This is gonna be a good week. I can just feel it. Yeah, Colin's still getting ready. I always finish getting ready before him. And then only to go to the gym. And then we're gonna do the question of the day. Running late to the gym. Whoops. Okay, guys, I literally love Mondays because it's like a fresh start. Because when Colin and I drive to the gym, he like doesn't want to listen to my girly podcasts. So it's like a fresh start of the week where I get to get in my car and I get to listen to my podcast on the way to the gym, and we just get to cruise. And we didn't do the question of the day because Colin and I honestly just kind of like slept in a little bit because we didn't get back from his parents' house last night until a little bit later, and you know, 8 hours of sleep is essential to our life. So yeah, we're just running like slightly late. Today's podcast I'm listening to on the way to the gym is As For Me in My House by Milena Ciciotti. So I'm listening to that. I actually have it paused though quick before it starts so I can do the question of the day. So my question, since it's October now and we're getting like in, you know, fall vibes and closer to the end of the year, my question is, what's one goal you have for yourself to achieve by the end of this year? So for me is to hit 60,000 subscribers, and also around like the holiday time, my goal is just to be really present with my family and like with Colin and his family and all that stuff. So I want to do like a work related one and a personal related one. So I am gonna do Vlogmas, by the way. I've never done that my whole life because I've always been at school and I hated school, and just vlogging every day, it just wasn't been it just wasn't, I just wasn't into it because I like worked my senior year, so I was literally at school. So yeah, we're gonna do it this year, but I wanted to do like a business goal and then like a personal goal. And so yeah, I just really want to be like present and like surrounded by family and just, you know, all that stuff. So those are my two goals. By like commenting on these things too, you could inspire somebody else too. So yeah, I just really like this little segment of the vlog. I think it's fun. And then if you want to, you guys can comment like goals that you want to achieve, or like goals that you want this channel to achieve, like videos done and things like that. Like, what do you guys want to see? So comment all that down below while I drive to the gym, please. Illy, thanks. Finished up at Orange Theory. Today was hard. Like, I really like the treadmill. If you guys went today on Monday the 7th, it was an endurance day and there was like 2 tread blocks that were run for distance. I ended up running a total of, I think it was like 2.9 something. I had to get off. I couldn't finish the 3, but that's fine. But yeah, it was hard. I ended up getting, I don't know why, but when I first started on the treadmill, I could not get and stay in the orange. I ended up getting 12 flat points exactly and 488 calories. But yeah, I just had like a cool semi meltdown to my mom because she started coming at 8 with me about just like them canceling my OBGYN appointment. And it's not supposed to be until the 15th now, and then we go out of town on the 16th, and if something's wrong, like, I go out of town the next day, and I just really truly do not feel good. Like, everything in my life is so good, like, I'm so happy, but like this is truly just like taking me over. My mom gave me that like secret package too, but that, and then like I just don't feel good like like in that part of my life. So I just ended up calling the OBGYN crying and saying I did not want to go back to that same place because they were literally so rude when I was there. They couldn't, like, it was just bad. They were just like I've never had an experience like that. They were so freaking rude. Oh, Colin's here. So yeah, hopefully they're gonna call me back and schedule it earlier because it's literally taking over my whole life. I can't can't have my period anymore. Like, I just can't. So we just ran to the grocery store because we had no food. So I'm just gonna kind of give you like an overview haul of what we got. I'll start with Trader Joe's, but we got sunflowers first of all because those are kind of dead. So we're gonna sift them out. Colin got more sausage. I'm just gonna.
We got potatoes.
Yeah, I'm just gonna flip you around and show you. We stocked up on Celsius. I got the steamed lentils from Trader Joe's for lunch. I'm just gonna go like, I'll tell you if it was from Trader Joe's or Harris Teeter. We got these sugar snap peas from Trader Joe's. Colin got more oatmeal from Harris Teeter. We got some steaks. This orange juice can definitely be thrown away. We got a bunch of chicken from Trader Joe's. I also got the chunky guacamole because I really wanted to try it. So I'll probably end up trying that today. And then I got sun-dried tomato chicken sausage. Back there, Colin got some yogurt from Chobani. It's just like the mixed berry flavor. I got more eggs. We got this Asian vegetable stir fry mix because we are going to make some stir fry this week. I think all that's old. Colin got mushrooms. We got zucchini and squash. We got asparagus. I got this, I can't even tell you what it's called. Cruciferous. I got this like mix to make for lunches and stuff. I don't remember where that was. And then we got some more of this potato wild mushroom mix from Trader Joe's. And we also got vegetable fried rice. So we can make chicken fried rice. I got some turkey burgers to make for a snack. Here's the more chicken. We have salmon back there. We got cauliflower crust pizza because we're going to make that for lunch or something one day. What?
The Amazon one over $200.
Oh yeah. We love Trader Joe's because it's like quite inexpensive.
The chicken that we get is organic and it's half the price.
Yeah.
Trader Joe's is half the price for organic chicken from Harris Teeter.
Yeah, and then we also got this brown rice quinoa pasta. Colin got pretzels and chips. Stocked up on that. Wait, where's the pasta sauce? Colin.
Oh, I put it over here with the also the sauce that we got.
Oh yeah. Okay, we got some spicy taco sauce. I completely forgot about these. We got soy sauce. We got pasta sauce up here for our pasta. It's organic tomato basil sauce. We got some more pepper, and then we also got this chili lime seasoning. And then we got some more potatoes, onions, avocados, garlic, limes, bananas. I'm pretty sure that's all we got. So yeah, I'm about to make some food probably. Then I need to drive to my hair salon to get more shampoo and conditioner so I can wash my hair because it's a disaster. Guys, okay, so I drove to my salon to go get my shampoo and conditioner. I'll show you that in like a second. But wild things are happening. I don't understand. You guys know how much I love Gymshark, right? Like, true fan. Am I a true fan?
Very much.
I'd say so. I just love their stuff so much. The mission, everything about them. Okay, anyways, so this past yesterday, Whitney Simmons commented on my video when I hauled her stuff. I still need to reply to her comment. I was just a little shook and we were with Colin's family, so I was like a little busy and trying to be present with them. But then I just got a notification that we have a parcel pending, and I was like, oh cool. And then when they restocked some of her stuff, I ended up getting 2 more things, a sweatshirt and a sports bra. And so then I figured that that was it, but then I opened it up and then I saw like this envelope that had my name on it, and they've never done that before for anything that I've ever ordered, and I've been ordering a lot of stuff for years. So I was really confused. And then it said, there was like this letter, and it said, hey Bianca, we think this outfit will look hot fire flames on you. We hope you love it as much as we do. Thanks for all your support and being an amazing member of the Gymshark family. Take care, Gymshark relationships team. So then I was like, what the heck? How did this happen? And then they sent me, I'm like so shook right now. I'm shaking, I freaking love Gymshark. I can't even believe this. They sent me the beautiful blue set and the sports bra, and then also the tank top. with it. So I'm just really shook right now. I don't know what I did. I don't know. So anyways, you guys know I freaking love Whitney's like collection. I don't know. I'm a little lost for words right now. I'm like uber thankful right now. Let me show you my shampoo and conditioner that I got because I truly love this stuff. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. So I've been using Original Mineral for a couple months now. The shampoo that I usually use, they were out of stock and I just really needed it to wash my hair. So I got the Fine Intellect shampoo this time, and this stuff's from Australia and it's all organic, which I really like. But I got Fine Intellect shampoo, and this one's for volume, which is fine because like everyone could use some volume, you know? And then I use the Hydrate and Conquer conditioner, and this one also hydrates your hair a lot and it supports growth. So I really like that. And then here's the texturing spray that I was telling you guys about in the other vlog because I really wanted this spray, and then they had it in the salon and I didn't even realize that they were gonna have it. So I ended up getting this. I was very excited, and it's so cute. But this is the Desert Dry Volumizing Dry Texture Spray, and Katie and Madison sprayed this into my hair last time I got it done, and it literally was amazing. So I needed to buy it and I bought it. Anyways, I'm just really shook right now. And my hair is really gross and I need to wash it. I'm gonna do like a little self-care Monday, which is totally fine. And I'm gonna wash my hair, do a face mask, and work. I'm like really shook. I think I need to FaceTime my mom. I finally showered. My hair is like slicked back in this hair mask. I look great. Big proponent of self-care on any day that you really feel like you need self-care. It doesn't have to be a certain day. If you feel like you need it, do it. You know what I'm saying? Do a face mask too because I'm breaking out really bad, and it's because sometimes when I get stressed out, I stress myself out to the point so bad where I get really bad breakouts, and I did that on October 1st. I did that. I don't know why I do that, but I do that. So I'm still recovering, and I'm gonna do a face mask just to like try and get all the bacteria out of my face. And also lighting, I'm about to make lunch, so I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do in a second. Okay, so the plan right now is to put these on the bottom. So I'm gonna have like a little salad bowl with that. Then I'm gonna put some baby spinach just because I really like spinach, and there's no spinach in here. And then on top of that, I'm gonna put this turkey burger and then do a fried egg. And then on top of the egg, I'm gonna do some chunky guacamole and probably some like avocado oil and like a little healthy salad type deal. So we're gonna do that for lunch and then start working, editing, all that stuff. Clean hair feels good. Clean hair feels great. I have a call in like 7 minutes with my manager, Maddie. We're gonna make dinner. There was something I needed to tell you guys and I literally can't even remember. I blow dried my hair. I did like a half curl job. I'll fix it more after tomorrow because I'm gonna go to the gym anyway. But I need you to sit somewhere so I can talk to you while I make my second fajita. We're having like an absolute like all natural Monday and I'm loving it. Also, my call with Maddie went so good and I'm so excited for Q4. Why is this wet? I don't know why my sweatshirt's wet, but I'm so excited for these next couple months. You guys have no idea. Oh my gosh. If you are just watching this and you're not subscribed, girl, hit that button. If you're a boy, hit the button, okay? Fun, so exciting things are happening. Aren't they?
Yeah.
Feel my excitement, man. Be on my level. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna make my second fajita. I just wanted to like touch up on my why I do weekend recaps because I was taking like forever to post it today for some reason. I do it. Oh, I forgot to post the pictures of our new flowers. I'll do that too. So I can like be present in the weekend and spend time with Cole and spend time, like yesterday we were hanging out with his family, and so I wanted to be able to spend a lot of time and like be present with his family. And also we just had like the best, most relaxing weekend. Like we weren't really worried about anything. We weren't working, really, not barely. And we just got to be present in the moment and enjoy each other. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then you have no idea what I'm talking about. But every Monday, I post these weekend recaps, and throughout the week, are you gonna come make your next one?
Yeah, I do this one first to the tour.
Oh, throughout the week and throughout the weekend, I'm taking pictures and like posting like barely anything. Like some people will tag me in their Instagram stories, and I know that those go away after a certain amount of time, so I want to be able to like post those and repost those, because I always thought it was fun when like people I liked watching on YouTube would like repost my things too. So I want to be able to repost your guys' stuff. But that's pretty much all I post on the weekends unless something crazy happens. And then throughout the weekend, I'm just taking pictures of things that we do. So like this last one, we went and got pumpkins. I took pictures of that and things like that. And then on Mondays, I edit all the pictures and I post them in a row and call it like my weekend recap. So I can be present during the weekend and enjoy my time and not feel stressed like I need to get something posted or anything. And then on Monday, when I'm like already working anyway, I can just post it all. And I've gotten a lot of messages saying people really liked that and they liked the meaning behind it. And I got it from Francesca Garza. And if you don't know her, she's a YouTuber. She's Alex Garza's sister. And I literally love Francesca and her videos. I think she's like super cute and her videos are so fun. I found her from Alex, but then I like really started watching her when she got engaged, because I like love anything that has to do with a wedding. And through that, I just loved her videos so much that now I just love all of them. So there's the influencer shout out of the week. You should go follow her on Instagram. She's really pretty. And then you should follow her YouTube channel, because this was her idea and I love it. Can I ask what led to this being the situation?
It has to hold it, babe.
Yeah, by the way, Joker, can we talk about that for a second? Do you wanna?
I don't think we should spoil anything.
I don't think we should spoil anything. I will say that that movie left me affected.
You know what that means? That means it's a good movie. If you leave the movie theater and you're impacted,
I'm impacted.
that means that it's a good movie.
All I had to say was I felt really bad for him, and I completely felt really bad, but I never felt uncomfortable.
It's a good movie, but it's very dark. So be warned if you're going to see it that it's super dark and graphic.
Yeah, graphic, yeah. I just thought it was very, very dark and depressing. That's how I could talk about it. I really don't want to spoil it for you guys, but there was never a point where I was like uncomfortable and wanted to leave, but
You're still uncomfortable.
I didn't feel good, and I don't really like watching movies that do that. So.
See, the reason I love movies like that, that's how you know it's really well made, is because whenever you leave a movie theater, you're like, oh my god. Like, I felt that way when I saw Interstellar and like other certain movies, like where my endorphins are like going crazy and I'm just like, I can't believe what I just saw. Or when it's like this, where it makes you so uncomfortable and think so much about certain things. And you're just like, wow, what the heck? That was so crazy. I can't believe what we saw.
Yeah.
And like the themes and everything about it.
Yeah, but we did make dinner, but I'm filming, or at least like starting to film. I'm gonna film like days where we film our dinner for you guys and then compile them onto a video. You do? So anyways, we're gonna watch Dark Knight and eat this now. That's why I just didn't like show you guys our dinner, but we made fajitas and they're good. So yeah, that's that. Anyways, also thanks for all like the love that you guys are sending me on my Instagram DMs about Gymshark sending me a package, because I'm like literally shook, and you guys are blowing up my Instagram talking about like how happy you are for me and all that stuff. And I am so shook and so thankful. I've just been going on rampages of like inspirational rants today, haven't I?
Yeah.
I can't even get over how thankful I am. Like seriously. Like thank you for like being so supportive and like sisters help sisters, you know, but like you guys like always have my back. And you guys are like so pushing for like me to succeed. And it's just like kind of cool, you know? I'm just thankful for you guys, okay? I'm trying not to cry. Bye. Finished our movie, and I just realized that this morning I started doing laundry and forgot about it. So now I need to do the laundry. I need to fill up my water too before I go to bed, and then yeah, we're getting ready for bed. Did it. I'm gonna end the vlog so I can go to bed on time and get 8 hours of sleep. But I hope you guys liked today's vlog. Thank you so much for all the support and for always watching and commenting and all that stuff. I truly appreciate you guys so much. I hope you liked it, and I will see you guys in my video tomorrow.